Hey guys, this is Harshit from Tech Gadget. In today's video, I'm going to do the unboxing and overview of the Samsung Galaxy F41. With that being said, let's get started. So this is the box in which it comes in. As you can see, it says Samsung F41 and other stuff. In the back, it gives some specifications which you can pause and read. Now let's break the seal and open the box. On opening the box, in the top part of the box, you'll find the SIM ejector pin, and inside it, the quick start guide, the regional lock guide and the warranty card. Let's just keep it aside and look at the other contents in the box. The next thing in the box is the Samsung Galaxy F41 itself. Let's just keep it aside and look at what's inside the box. The next thing in the box is the adaptive fast charging brick, which is rated at 15 watts to charge the device. And at last you'll get the USB Type A to Type C cable for charging and data transfer. So this was regarding the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy F41. Now let's take a look at the device itself. So this is the Samsung Galaxy F41 itself. First let's talk about its physical overview. On top you'll find the earpiece, then the 32 megapixel front facing camera. From that till the bottom is the 6.4 inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display, and it has a brightness of 420 nits, which is really bright and visible outdoors without any issue. Samsung calls this as the Infinity U display. On the top there is a secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the right you'll find the volume rockers and the power button. At the bottom you'll find the 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, the primary microphone and the speaker. On the left you'll find a slot which takes 2 SIM cards and a dedicated SD card up to 512 gigs. On the back you'll find a triple camera setup. First being a 5 megapixel depth camera, then a 64 megapixel primary camera, and at last a 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Next to that, an LED flash. After that you'll find a fingerprint scanner, and at the bottom the Samsung branding. So this was regarding the physical overview. I will use this device for some time and do its full review, so do stay tuned to my channel. So that's it. This was the unboxing and overview of the Samsung Galaxy F41. I hope you found this video helpful. I will appreciate if you press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. After you subscribe, make sure to press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And you will be notified when I upload a new video. Do comment if you have any suggestions or queries. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, this is Harshit and hope to see you in my next video.